Okay, y'all, so I just got this deck. This is the True Black Tarot deck. It's an indie deck, and it came to me because one of my great clients and friends gifted me the funds to purchase this deck, and it's finally here. I've been wanting this for so long, so this is my first time viewing this, and it's really beautiful. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Oh my goodness, look at this details. Oh shit, you see this? Like, wow, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It is only in darkness that we see the stars. And then of course the little book. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay. And we have the deck. Oh, wait. Oh, look at this card. Look at it. It's so thick. It's thick with 3 C's. Hold on. By the way, look at my son. He's so eager to get it. Oh my gosh. Look, he don't even care about everything else he's gotten, but let's look at these cards. This is the Fool. The types of visions I'm going to be getting with this. Oh, it just feels so good. It's like butter. Like, look at this shit. Oh, shit. This is a good ass investment. I think this might be my new go-to deck. And I just love this. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. This is a work of art. Oh my God. Like, this is powerful, y'all. These readings that I'm about to be doing, these September readings, y'all, from here on out, you hear me? Damn, look at that. Snake. Whew. These is beautiful. These is beautiful. My God. Oh my God. Look, you done did that. You did that, okay? Mr. Wayne, you done did that. You heard me. Damn. That's beautiful. Damn. I absolutely adore this. Like, I adore this. Like, this is absolutely phenomenal. Like, this is probably this is probably my favorite tarot deck that I've ever seen in my life. Like, and I love tarot decks. Like, I have a lot of them, and I've invested a lot of money in tarot decks, and this is absolutely, like, damn. It's just so much. Like, with these types of cards, I'm probably gonna bust these out for like super, like, intense deep readings, like soul searching types of reading, like the kinds of, you know, if y'all asking me about, oh, this nigga, like, be careful, baby, be careful, Buka, be careful. This little boy is ready to risk it all to come play with these cards. I know what you're trying to do. Look at this shit. This is just absolutely amazing. It's just amazing. Like, wow. Damn.